Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions and data. Give yourself View Dashboards and create and manage dashboards rights, then open the report builder. Next, pick a clean report with the fields you need and apply filters to reduce noise. Once done, sketch 3 to 6 KPIs and choose widget types, charts, tables, single number tiles, or gauges to communicate each insight. Make sure to label fields consistently and use meaningful report names so you can find them quickly as you build the dashboard layout. Now you assemble components in the dashboard canvas. Create a new dashboard in the right folder and set the running user. Choose dynamic or fixed access depending on viewers. Add a component, point it to the prepared report, then pick the optimal chart type and groupings. Once added, configure drill-down links and component-level filters. Use dynamic date ranges for rolling views. Also apply conditional highlighting or thresholds so trends pop visually. Make sure layout and component sizing reflect screen ratio and priority. Finish by polishing layout and publishing. Prioritize critical metrics at the top left, set a 16:9 layout for widescreen, and adjust sizes for mobile viewers. Once done, save and refresh to confirm visuals, then schedule refreshes and email snapshots to stakeholders. If a widget shows no data, first confirm the underlying report filters, then validate the running user's permissions and object visibility. Finally, if problems persist, clone the component with minimal filters to isolate the issue before reverting changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.